Hey, where are you going today?
Are going to do bird watching. To go together.
Yes, it sounds good.
We could see some birds if we arrive early in the morning.
Just bring a pair of a binocular and a field guide together.
Okay, it takes 30 minutes to there.
Welcome everyone to bird watching tours. Let me explain the rules you must follow. 1. You shouldn't make noises because the bird might scare and fly away. 2. You have to stay on decided trail to prevent getting lost. And the last, do not litter. Okay, enjoy your bird watching.
We walked for 1 hour and I didn't see any birds.
If we are patient and kind, sometimes we find some birds.
Huh, don't lie me. I will go this way for searching birds.
You must follow the guide instructions.
It seems like a hummingbird.
Amazing! We will take a photo of that bird.
It's so dry.
You to go back to the university. Agree with what shows that before it gets dark.
Today is very funny. Let's go a trip together again.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.